Hello, fifth graders. Mrs. Coulter here. We are going to be looking at an activity called Better Buys. We will be using proportional reasoning to calculate which item is the better buy. Here are our objectives. So number 1, generate equivalent ratios. Number 2, identify relationships between quantities and costs of items. Number 3, using proportional reasoning. Number 4, calculate unit costs. And number 5, identify common factors of two numbers. So let's look at our first example. This page shows two options for buying fidget spinners. Hey, look at this. I love myself a good fidget spinner. One option is 5 spinners for $4.40. And the other option is 8 spinners for $6.20. The question is, which one is the better buy? To solve this problem, I could use a variety of strategies. I encourage you to use whatever strategy you believe will be the most efficient way to solve the problem. In order to figure out which is the better buy, I really need to understand how much one spinner will cost from each group. To figure this out, I divided and came up with the cost of 88 cents for option 1 and 77 cents for option 2. I will then write the name of the one that has the better buy on the line. So, not fidget spinners. I would say that is the better buy for 77 cents a spinner. Okay, there you go. That is better buy. Good luck.